Hello, my name's Lizzie from BYD Stoke and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this BYD Seal U 1.5 DMI 18.3 kWh Boost. Now this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Delan black. To start off with then, you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the Delan black exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Along with keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. As this vehicle is an electric vehicle, it has a range of up to 50 miles and it can take up to 35 minutes to charge. Moving to the rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle does in fact have a panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. You also have the Infinity speakers, which help to enhance your listening experience on any journey that you may take. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, as well as buttons for your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. On your rotational infotainment system, which rotates either portrait or landscape depending on your needs and what you prefer, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have Spotify, which enables you to log in if you have a Spotify account, so you are able to listen to your Spotify playlist. As well as this, you also have Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to pick up those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And as well as this, you also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. And you also have a 360 view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Along with dual zone climate control, which allows you and your passenger travelling in the front with you to be kept at comfortable temperatures on any journey that you may take. And you also have front heated seats, as well as ventilated seats, which is ideal for those hot summer months, and for the colder winter months you also have a heated steering wheel for the driver. This has been a presentation on a BYD Seal U 1.5 DMI 18.3 kWh Boost that's now available to purchase from BYD Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.